Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to add a website to your Facebook profile. And this is very simple. Alright, first find the website that you want to add. I want to add this link to X, so just copy that and then go back to your Facebook account. Then from here, tap on your profile, then tap on edit profile and then scroll down. Then from here you will see the option links and then tap on add. And from here, make sure that you select the website option. First, it's just for the video, so I tap on the visible option and I will do that on only for me. Then after that, do add website, then tap on add website, paste, ready, and then tap on save. So now I just added a website on my Facebook account, and this is exactly how it works. Alright, if you find this helpful, please consider subscribing and give this video a like. And then for now, thanks for watching.